Welcome back to the Cable Data Science channel. It is Thursday, October 22nd, 2020. I'm just getting ready to update my database. I already downloaded the data from the European Center for Disease Prevention and Control. Let's just go do a little data cleaning on that as we always do. Then we can move on to both the New York Times and Johns Hopkins University. Let's get rid of this. Get rid of a few unnecessary columns. Get rid of this. Let's see. That's about right. Right in. Let's see something here. Let's come down here to data. Change this to CSV. Change this to just COVID-19. And now we have our first data set ready to be imported into the SQLite database. Okay, so let's go and save this right there. Let's open up a command prompt. To Johns Hopkins. Pull down the data. This is one of those cases where it's actually easier to do something to do this from the command line and just open up R, switch into the project directory, and run Git from the menu. So, but you can certainly do it that way also. So now we're going to the last data set we're going to look at today is okay. So now we come back over here, come down here one. Now we get ready. Now we use the R script command from R. Now, I don't think there's actually an R script command for Linux, interesting enough. She must just use some type of a flag then. But anyway, here we go. Let's do the first one. Oh, I forgot to actually move the files uh, to the data directory. Okay, that should take care of that now. Then we'll come over here and we'll just check and make sure that the database is updated for today. The European Center for Disease Prevention and Control uses the current date for their reports, while Johns Hopkins and New York Times actually use yesterday's date. So let's just take a peek here. Make sure everything is as it should. So this is the New York Times, and that's correct. This is correct because once again you see 1021, 1022. Last but not least, we'll check Johns Hopkins, and that's good. The last thing we do is you come over here. Okay, well, I forgot what I'm looking for here. I'm looking for the database thing here. There we go. Okay, here's what we got. So let's come back over here now. First of all, let's just update the, oh, I'm going to go ahead and update the, interesting. Update all these database tables. I'll be back with you when this concludes. This is a reminder. I would suggest that every time you fire up R, you run a package update first. Make sure you got the latest and greatest versions of all your packages. This concludes this first video. I'll be back with you in a moment to take care of to begin to run the daily reports.